Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm genevieveabumchi, and in today's video I'll be creating a soft glam Valentine makeup look. And this look will be focusing more on a very natural looking eyebrows, a simple eyeshadow, and lastly we'll be rounding it up with a red lipstick. So yeah, in today's video I'll be using a less is more kind of technique, meaning I'll be using very less amount of product to create the soft glam makeup look that I'm talking about. So if you want to learn how you're going to rock your Valentine Day looking simple and yet classy and yet beautiful and yet stunning and gorgeous, okay, please keep watching this video because this video is going to be definitely helpful. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that. And yeah, let's get into this video. So guys, like I said before, in today's video I'll be doing a more natural looking eyebrows. So I have done this eye, if you look closely, and I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to do this one. So I will be using a transparent soap. If you have an eyebrow gel, like now there is eyebrow gel, so if you have that you can use that. So I'm using a transparent soap. All I did now is to make sure that the transparent soap is wet. So what I will do is to use it I go over it with it on my spoolie, and then I use it to lay down the hairs of my brows. So this is what I do. If you have a glue, an eyelash glue can also do this, and also a gel, a hair gel can also do this. So I'm like, like pressing it on my eyebrow hair. Okay, so once I'm done pressing it, I use the end of the brush to make sure to lay it, to lay it, and if I finish doing that, I brush it like this, like make a shape. So the shape is looking very sharp, like very sharp. So for the end, for here, I will like make it look yeah. So this is how it's going to look for the end. So yeah, this is it. So in order to make sure that the brows are looking like, I feel like it's very faint, and although I'm going for a very faint eye look today, so for that I'll be using this Wet n Wild brow kit, and I'll be using this one here, not this dark one, this one, to like fill in the places that there is no hair. Like I'm going to like do something like this, guys. So I'll be going with this one, the dark one. I'll be going with it, and I will like make line. So like this is my eyebrows, guys, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to be sculpting it out, and for that I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'll be using an angled brush to make sure that the whole sculpting is clean and neat, So for the upper part of my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fitme foundation. I'll be using that to sculpt the upper part of my brows. So today's eyebrow will be looking more huge, like it will be looking more wider and shorter, I think. But yeah, it's going to look really pretty, as you can see. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this eyebrow, because like I don't usually do something like this, but then what is creativity? It's all about looking new, doing something different, so yeah. Okay guys, so the next thing I'll be doing is my face, and I'll be applying the primer. The primer I'm using is from Wet n Wild. I think this is like the only primer I have, and it's so cool. So in order to get a very flawless foundation, because I'm going for flawless always, I will be color correcting my dark spots, and I'll be using a very less amount of color corrector today, because I'll be going for a small amount of foundation as well. And yeah, okay guys, so I have done color correcting my face. I'll be using, in today's video, I'll be using the Wet n Wild and the Fitme foundation. I'll mix both of them, and I will use both of them. I'll be taking it out on my hands at the back of my pen, and I will be mixing it up. So in order to like blend the foundation out, I'll be using my beauty blender, and I wanted to use a brush today, but I don't know, I've not used the brush before, but let me just use what I usually use. I use a beauty blender, so I'll be using a beauty blender, make sure it's damp, and I'll be blending the foundation out. Alright guys, now that I've finished blending the foundation, as you can see the foundation is really blended well, and I really like the way it is. Like, it's glowy, and yeah, it's very light. I didn't like put so much, but and that's like the goal today, right? So for my concealer also, I won't be putting so much. I will just be putting very less amount. So I'll be using the other side of the beauty blender to blend the concealer out. I really need a new beauty blender, guys. Like, I need a new one. I definitely need a new one. So what I do is I blend from the inner corner to the outer corner. I take it in and take my hand out, take it in, take my hand out, take it in, take my hand out, and we go towards the side, like outward, as you can see. Yeah, so the same thing here. My forehead, yeah, and my nose. I'm going to like blend it out lightly. So I'll be contouring with a small brush. I'll be contouring my nose with a small brush. So in order for me to like contour my face, I'll be going like this. If you want to contour your face, just put the brush just above your ear and you get the line where you contour from. So I'll be contouring like this. Yeah, like this here. So I'm using the Europe Girl Cosmetics contour palette, guys, and I'm taking a just very light amount of product and I'll be working it through. Then I'll be going towards my hairline. When we get here, you do the same thing, and yeah, you get the part where you contour from. And I'll be like setting my face with the setting powder in this contour palette. I'll be going for very light setting powder because I don't want too much product. The goal today is less is more, right? So yeah, I need to use a beauty blender to blend this thing out. So I don't want it to be too ashy. I just want everything to be soft, you know, and simple and clean at the same time. So I'll be like doing the reverse contouring because that stuff always looks nice on me, and I love it too. I'll be applying some blush. I'm using the LiQWYD palette, and I'll be using this one here. It's very peachy light kind of blush. So all you need to do is to smile and apply the blush. I wasn't like going to apply blush, but I don't know what happened. I just felt like I should do it. I'm going to like go for a very, you know, small and a simple blush. Okay, you guys, I'm making sure that everything is in place, that my face is like really in place before I, you know, apply the setting powder. Sorry, before I apply the setting spray, you know. So that's like what I'm doing right now, and I'm using my beauty blender to like go everywhere and make sure that everything is touched and everything is right in place. And yeah, I think my face is really looking nice now. That's a glimpse of a sunlight. I think it's coming out. So guys, now that the face is done, I'll be like setting the face, and I'm using the Wet n Wild natural finish setting spray. Okay guys, for my eyes, I'll be going with this LA Girl eyeshadow palette, and I'll be going for this. This is a shimmer shade, and it is it's very soft, it's very calm, and I just love the way it is. So I'll be using it to like go over my eyelid, and I think that's like what I'll be doing. Really, there's no like so much to do, and yeah, I'm just using the brush I used to contour my nose to like, you know, go over this place. You know, I'll be using this one. I'll be taking like small amount and I'll be placing it right here. Like very small amount, and when I place, I would like blend it through. I really need brushes, guys, but I want a good one, and the good ones are really expensive, like very expensive. But I think I have to like, you know, get it. So like when I'm doing it, I'm making sure to like go to the inner corners, like I'm making sure to go to this inner corner so that when I, you know, turn like this, it'll be reflecting. and when I turn like this, it will reflect. You can, as you can see right now, I turn this way, like this. Nothing is on it, but like say. So I'm making sure like I go from here, like I blend this one in very well, and yeah, I'm just applying like more amount so that everything is blended out, and yeah, I think I love it. It is so pretty, guys. I'm using the contour brush, to make sure that this part is not fading at all. Okay, for my nose, I'll be like highlighting my nose. I know like this is not what I'm supposed to be doing right now, but I feel like I should do it. I'll be highlighting my nose, and I'm using my hand, like my fingertips, and make sure to warm it up a little bit. So see, and yeah, this is the bridge of my nose needs to glow very well. Yeah, it's glowing, you see, and I think that's it. I will be like making sure to highlight this place as well. Okay. I think I love everything about this look. It's all about glowing and soft, For my brow bone, I feel like I should like highlight it, highlight the thing. I'll be highlighting the center of my forehead so that like when the lighting or the sun hits, it's not like going somewhere else. So yeah, the next thing is to apply the eyeliner. So I said I'll be like doing a cat eyeliner. So the eyeliner I'm using is the Wet n Wild H2O proof, and yeah, this is waterproof eyeliner. So so for you to do your eyeliner, first of all you start from this place and you drag it up, and then you take it in like this. Okay, so that is the goal here. So for my inner corners, the thing to do is to go to your tear dots and try to make like a V or a triangle kind of thing. So you take it in, take it down, so guys, now that I've finished lining my eyes, I'll be going for the eyelashes. I'll be fixing lashes, and in order to make sure that my lashes are going to be in place, I'll be using a mascara, and the mascara I'm using is from Maybelline New York, the Hypercore mascara. So I'll be fixing my lashes. So guys, the lashes I'm using in this look is the one from Europe Girl Cosmetics. This lashes is nice. You can use it for 2 to 3 times, 4 times, depending on how you care for it. But the glue is so messy, the glue is so useless. I think I need to get a better glue because it took me like forever to fix these lashes. That's the truth. It took me like forever, guys. But then the lashes was up. That's what is important. So guys, I have fixed the lashes, and the next thing or the last thing to do for this look is to highlight my face and then apply the lipstick. So I'll be going for the lipstick first. So the lipstick I'll be using today is the NYX soft matte lip cream, but before that I'll be going in with this classic red lipstick because I want red to be very red, that kind of red. The lipstick has already finished, so I'll be using my brush to the end of my brush to get the lipstick out. This lipstick is so good, like I love the way it is. So guys, and I'll be going in with this one on top of this one. Okay, this one is deeper. This one is deeper. So guys, as you can see that this lips is popping, guys. I mean, on the camera I feel like it looks like a brick red, but on the mirror it's like very red, like red, So I'll be using the brush and my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter to highlight my face. So for the final step, like to lock in everything, every glow, every beauty in this look, I'm going to like be setting the face for the last time. So guys, as you can see, the goal to this video was to create a natural looking eyebrows, which I think I did, and to create a very soft eyeshadow, which I think we achieved, and to do the cat eye, although I went overboard with the eyelashes, and yeah, I mean sometimes it's good to go overboard. So yeah, and okay, and focusing on the red lips, I hope you can see the red lips. The lips looks really red and really beautiful, and I think the goal to this makeup look was actually achieved. Oh, thanks to God. It's looking really flawless, as you guys can see. It's looking flawless, and it's looking soft and yet satisfying, and yet glowing, and yet flawless. So guys, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you learned something. I hope you learn how to how you can actually create a Valentine makeup look on your Valentine Day. Either you are staying at home or going out with your boo or your besties. Like this video. If you do like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and when you do that, hit your bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, don't forget to have fun, don't forget to enjoy yourself, and don't forget to stay safe. See you guys on my next one. Bye.